Coming at you with a few new products again today. This time for your Taurus G3 models. You have an extension that'll fit your 15 round Mech-Gar magazines that fit your G3 models. This one has a sleeve on it so that it fits your G3C model. Fills up the gap from the base plate all the way up to the frame. This also adds 5 rounds to your magazine, as you can see here. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, and there you go. We have the standard mag extension without the extended sleeve on it as well. In order for you to use this with your G3 frame, you have to file or sand down this small piece in the back, otherwise it will not lock into place.